G'day, I'm Gav.
And I'm Shez, and this is our Beneteau Oceanus 430 Astrid the Wombat. We're getting ready to sail around the world.
So hit subscribe and join us on our amazing adventure.
Welcome back to Sailing Astrid the Wombat. In our last episode, we had a great swim off the back of the boat before pulling up the sails and heading out across the bay. Join us now as it sails up again, but in some pretty wild weather. We get the Toerail in the water. We really hope you enjoy this episode. If you do, hit subscribe and follow us along for our journey as we get ready to sail around the world. So it's the Australia Day long weekend, and we're going to head over to Moreton Island. That's right, we were heading across to Moreton Island and planning on staying at an anchorage called Lucinda Bay, which is just around the corner from the Tangalooma wrecks. So that's going to be awesome. It's going to be a bit of a wild trip over, so winds around 30 knots and stuff, but it shouldn't be too bad. The worst of it was this morning, so we're just like delaying our leaving so that it does calm down a bit around 10 a.m. So we'll head over then. It's about a 2-hour sail. Maybe if the winds are high it might be quicker. Yeah, we're really looking forward to it, swimming and stuff. Super great weekend, being Australia Day tomorrow. So yeah, we're really excited about it. Good couple of days out and a anchorage that we've not been to before, so it looks really good.
Lucinda Bay. Put that in the shed for me, please. Can't forget the chippies. Want this up there?
Yeah, it can stay up. Everything.
Yeah, looks like it.
I'll pass the cushions up.
Yeah, here you go. Felt like wearing that all day.
So Gav's been busy, he's just put on our new flagpole. So here it is. Oh, it's here. And we will get the Australian flag up. Good weekend to kick it off with Australia Day this weekend. Alright, so we've threaded the flag on. Oh. And we'll just snip off the edge of this zippy tie and then we'll be right to put it up.
Wait.
I need to pull it across a little bit. The flag's out. Look at that. That looks awesome. Hopefully it'll get out a bit more once we get going. Wow, you can hear that wind really picking up now. We're getting out of the protection of the marina. Going to be a blowy trip. Look at that. I'm getting water spray on me right now. It's here we go, yo. Holy dooly. We got waves. Try and wait for some calm so I can get back into the cockpit, I think, since I've got no life jacket on. Well, she's blowy.
Yeah, do you want to do that gate, pull up,
yeah,
get them ready for sails.
The flag's looking good. Woohoo.
There you go.
Far enough? More.
Lock it off. Take everything out.
So I lock the blue one off or leave it?
Leave it.
more or not?
Yep. How you telltale's looking?
I can't see him from here. I can't wait till I can kneel on both legs. Oh. They're looking good.
Okay, great. See the red thing?
Yeah. You said to sail along by it, right?
Yeah, but I mean the wind's pushing us this way. So you want to give it a bit of a bird.
Okay, we just got out of the Leeds and we've got the head sail out. It's blowing 20 knots and we're doing 5 knots. Yeah, okay. Which is pretty cool. And we're just saying, like Gab was just saying, we'll probably get up here a little bit and then we're going to reduce the sail a bit just because the wind is super gusty. We are, you know, inexperienced, and so we don't want to have a full head out when we're going into this, and especially when our head sail is as big as it is, so it goes up further than half of our boat. So here it is. See if I can get it out from the side and show you.
How you doing?
How you doing? Flag's looking good.
It always looks good.
Does always look good and looks particularly good on our boat.
Yeah.
Just in case our Wombat logo didn't give it away. I think everybody knows now. Alright, riders out. We still have never caught a fish on this boat. We've had it for just over 12 months. And yeah, maybe this weekend's the weekend. Australia Day weekend fishing. Do you have any hope, babe, for us to get a fish?
Yeah, I want to get a fish.
Think we'll get one today?
No. but I want to go.
I'm thinking we might. Maybe we will. I'd be very excited if we could get a fish. I don't know what our plan is if we have one on the rod. Do I need to go and grab stuff?
You need to reel it in.
Yeah, then what? Oh, you'll grab some pliers or something.
Oh no, we'll do something.
We definitely will need to have the GoPro going when that happens. I think the first thing if a fish gets on is turn the GoPro on.
Yeah.
We're healing.
We were.
We were. It's very gusty wind today. It was a reasonably quick sail to Moreton Island, with us averaging around 7 knots in winds gusting over 30 knots. So it was a wild ride, but look at our destination, and we couldn't wait to anchor up and start exploring. Update on the fishing rod: 0 fish caught. We just started the engine. We are getting very close to our destination, which is Lucinda Bay on Moreton Island. We've not been here before, but we've had some good reports from Dave and Connie were here a few weeks ago. So we've stood the sail up, you can see, and we're just going in here. So you can see a boat coming out of there. We're going to go in, and that's where we'll be. Now.
On that course?
No, I'm losing it. I'm trying to get it back.
Okay, kick it in the guts. Give it some motor. Now steer it back. Now we can steer back around to over there somewhere. Just watch the dip.
It's 20.
Okay, good. Just like to spin around, then we'll reverse.
Okay. It looks good.
So chuck out another 15.
Okay. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Join us next week as we go ashore and explore this incredible island. Look how beautiful it is. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up and a comment, and we'll see you next week. See ya!